Is your vision not as sharp as it once was? Or do you find your memory foggy, especially as the day winds down? Here's something you might not expect. The foods you eat right before bed can actually help repair your eyes and refresh your brain while you sleep. Many people assume that eyesight loss and memory decline are simply parts of aging. However, research shows that these changes are not just a result of natural wear and tear. They're actually linked to how your cells manage stress, energy, and repair during the night. The fascinating part is that your brain and retina are both made up of similar fatty tissue and share similar demands for energy, oxygen, and antioxidants. Without the right nutrients, the tiny capillaries that nourish these areas weaken, oxidative stress builds up, and over time, both your memory and vision deteriorate. So, what's really going on inside your body at night? While you sleep, your brain undergoes a process known as glymphatic clearance. This is like a cleaning crew for your neurons. It helps clear away damaged proteins, including beta amyloid, which is linked to Alzheimer's. Meanwhile, your retina regenerates its light-sensitive cells during the night. But this nightly repair cycle only works if your body has the right building blocks. Without the proper nutrients, the cleanup isn't complete and damage starts to accumulate. Here's the good news. Certain natural foods, especially 3 specific dry fruits, contain concentrated nutrients that act like fuel for this overnight repair process. They're packed with polyphenols, healthy fats, and antioxidants that target your brain and eyes. Think of them as reinforcements sent to help your vision and memory cells repair themselves while you sleep. The science of aging isn't just about extending lifespan, it's about extending health span. This means improving focus, eyesight, and brain resilience as you age. By making small, targeted changes to your nighttime routine, like incorporating these nutrient-rich foods, you can influence how your brain and eyes perform tomorrow and for years to come. So, in this session, I'll walk you through the science behind these foods. I'll explain how they work during sleep, the exact timing and serving sizes for maximum benefit, and how to make them a part of your routine effortlessly. By the end, you'll not only know which foods to eat, but also why they work and how they directly support clearer vision and sharper memory. Let's dive in. When you close your eyes at night, your body doesn't just rest. It enters one of the most active repair cycles of the day. Your brain and eyes are on a schedule, working behind the scenes, and here's where many people miss a critical point. The nutrients you consume before sleep play a huge role in how well your body repairs itself. During deep sleep, your brain activates something called the gliolymphatic system. Picture a street cleaning crew clearing away damaged proteins, toxins, and waste from your brain. At the same time, your retina is regenerating its light-sensitive cells, which get worn down daily due to light exposure, oxidative stress, and metabolic strain. Both of these systems rely heavily on antioxidants, vitamins, and stable blood sugar levels to work properly. Think of it like renovating a house overnight. If the right materials like wood, cement, or steel don't arrive, the workers can't rebuild. Similarly, if your diet doesn't supply the right nutrients, the nightly repair processes can't fully happen, leading to memory loss, slower recall, and reduced vision over time. Now, here's the empowering part. Studies show that specific compounds in natural foods like polyphenols, flavonoids, and omega-fatty acids cross the blood-brain barrier and accumulate in the eye. This means the food you eat doesn't just fuel your muscles or liver, it nourishes your brain and eye cells directly. Among the most powerful foods for this overnight repair are dry fruits. They are nutrient-dense and perfect for providing these compounds during the hours when your brain and eyes are doing their most intense repair work. Almonds may seem simple, but they are packed with a unique nutrient profile that is especially beneficial for your vision. The retina at the back of your eye is lined with millions of photoreceptor cells that capture light. These cells are delicate and can be damaged by oxidative stress caused by light exposure and energy metabolism. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, one of the most powerful fat-soluble antioxidants. Vitamin E acts as a protective shield, absorbing the damage caused by free radicals before they can harm your retina cells. Studies show that a higher intake of vitamin E significantly reduces the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Almonds also promote healthy blood circulation through the tiny capillaries in the eye, ensuring the retina gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs for regeneration. To benefit from almonds, aim for 6 to 8 soaked almonds before bed. Soaking them makes the nutrients easier to absorb and support the retina during its nightly regeneration. If almonds protect your eyes, walnuts fuel your brain. It's no coincidence that a walnut looks like a miniature brain. Walnuts are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, which help build flexible, healthy cell membranes in neurons. This makes it easier for your brain to transfer short-term information into long-term memory. Research has shown that omega-3s improve cognitive function, including memory, concentration, and processing speed. Walnuts also contain melatonin, which helps your brain enter deeper stages of restorative sleep, optimizing memory consolidation. Just 2 to 3 walnut halves before bed is enough to improve memory and enhance brain function overnight. Eat them raw to keep the delicate oils intact. Raisins may seem too ordinary compared to almonds and walnuts, but they contain antioxidants and natural sugars that help stabilize your blood sugar during the night. This is important because unstable blood sugar levels can lead to oxidative stress, which accelerates brain and eye fatigue. Raisins are rich in polyphenols that neutralize free radicals, protecting your brain and retina from damage. They also provide a slow, steady release of energy, which is crucial since your eyes and brain are still metabolically active while you sleep. A handful of 5 to 7 raisins before bed can provide this steady fuel and support healthy blood sugar levels, ensuring your brain and eyes get the energy they need during repair. Now that you know the power of almonds, walnuts, and raisins, it's time to combine them with proper bedtime habits. The timing matters. Aim to eat this trio 30 to 45 minutes before bed. This gives your body time to digest and absorb the nutrients so they are available during deep sleep. Pair these dry fruits with other supportive habits, like dimming the lights, avoiding screens, and keeping your sleep environment cool and dark. Hydrate with warm water or caffeine-free herbal tea to enhance nutrient transport. Here's your actionable plan. Soak 6 to 8 almonds for 6 to 8 hours. Peel the skin before eating. Add 2 to 3 walnut halves, raw and unroasted. Include 5 to 7 raisins for steady energy release. Eat them 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Hydrate with a small glass of warm water or herbal tea. Optimize your sleep environment. Keep it dark, cool, and quiet. By following this protocol consistently, you'll support your brain and eyes during their nightly repair cycles, leading to clearer vision, sharper memory, and enhanced focus over time. Consistency is key. The true magic lies in small, regular actions that build up over time. So start tonight and see how you feel in a few weeks.